The best survival gear, or rather the best outdoor gear, comes in many shapes and forms. Often, they include tools or equipment, which improve safety, health, and resourcefulness while out in the wilds. There are many types of products, from which it is very difficult for you to get a good quality survival gear. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which survival gear is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Tgsb Rechargeable Plasma Lighter Survival Gear. Having access to fire is necessary for cooking, cleaning, and warming, and this electric lighter makes that feasible. It has a tough rubber shell, built-in short-circuit protection, and is weatherproof. One of the most dependable fire tools is provided by this lighter. Since an electric arc lighter is practically flameless, it can light a flame even in the rain. The shell's strong rubber construction adds to its longevity. It may easily fit in your pocket, handbag, backpack, and other places. It charges through USB and takes 2 hours to complete a full charge, so either you should completely charge it before leaving or pack a portable battery pack and an extra battery, along with any other necessary supplies. Whatever the case, it's a fantastic survival and support tool that ought to be a mainstay in everyone's outdoor kit collection. Number 2. Wise Company Emergency Food Supply Survival Gear. Food is also vital, especially for journeys that can last days or weeks. A variety of ready-to-eat packets are included in this food kit. They require only water to cook and can be stored for years at a time. This enormous MRE, or meal ready-to-eat, package has enough food for up to 60 servings. There is no cooking necessary, only a small amount of water is needed to create each meal. They're therefore a great choice if you're out on the trail or some other location without access to ovens or fire. The food has a 25-year shelf life, so as long as it is properly sealed and kept, it will remain edible for a very long time. Speaking of fire, our guide to the best hatchet may be useful if you're looking for a quick way to gather firewood for cooking outside. They are especially well suited for outdoor use because the packets are portable and quite small. For emergencies or just as a snack, you can fit several in a bag. Number 3. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter Survival Gear. Water is more important for survival than food, and with this special technology, you can safely drink from any source, even one that is contaminated. Up to 99.9% of pollutants, including bacteria and parasites, are eliminated. Take the straw with you instead of lugging around numerous water bottles. Like any other straw, you use it by dipping the front end into liquid and sucking through the rear. It removes the majority of pollutants, including dangerous bacteria, parasites, and other elements. However, it is unfit for drinking water that contains dangerous chemicals or human waste. The natural filtration system lasts up to 1,000 gallons per unit, and almost always produces clean, neutral-tasting water. Because of its tiny size and light weight, the straw is ideal for storing in a bug-out bag or camping pack. Suction may be produced in a matter of seconds, but getting it going can be exhausting. It's not a problem, just be aware that with one of these, water breaks might be a little longer than usual. Number 4. Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Stick Survival Gear. These light-up sticks are a great substitute for traditional lighting when it is not available. They have a lengthy shelf life, are lightweight, and are simple to store. A lantern or flashlight can't always be used for illumination, especially if they operate on batteries. One of the better substitutes are these light sticks. They have a brilliant glow and are somewhat bright. They may persist for more than 12 hours. In contrast, the majority of glow sticks only last for a maximum of 8 hours. Since they are non-flammable, non-toxic, and waterproof, they may be used almost everywhere. A single pack has 12 total sticks, which should be sufficient for roughly 144 hours, or about 6 days. Each stick is individually wrapped, and they are small and lightweight, making them ideal for throwing into a bag. There is less concern that they will be destroyed or activate earlier, because the foil wrapper keeps them relatively safe. Number 5. Von LED Camping Lantern Survival Gear. These lanterns are a great option for the adequate light source that should be included in every bug-out bag or camping gear. The 3 supplied AA batteries allow them to operate for up to 90 hours, and they include an extremely brilliant LED light. It can be practically hard to do anything in the dark, which can occasionally occur when least expected due to dense vegetation or poor weather. Due to their use of extremely brilliant LEDs, these outdoor-friendly lanterns will brighten the surrounding region. They are portable, light, and simple to transport or store. They can withstand a 10-foot drop and feature a watertight casing and nearly unbreakable construction. 3 supplied AA batteries are required to power the lanterns. Each lamp will last 90 hours on that amount of power. That is very astounding, and even without a backup set of batteries, they should continue to function for a very long period. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.